Good morning, gentlemen. In this video, I want to show you free of charge how to register your business name in Nigeria. So you're operating POS, you have a shop, you have a business, you start newly, and you want to register with CAC so that you can stand a chance of taking loan from the bank, and agents are charging you money. Here in this video, you can learn how to do it free of charge. All I want you to do for me is to thank me on the comment section. Is that too much? Thank me. Just say thank you on the comment section. See, if you don't say thank you, if you are stopped, if you have a problem while you are registering, don't call my number. Say thank you on the comment section. Then, let's go. So I will show you live and direct on my screen. I will start with how to reserve a name. I will proceed to how to register the business name or company. All in this video. Let's go. Browser, this is the link that you are going to type. You can see it now. Pre.cac. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. Pre.cac.gov.ng. Then when you type it like that, then you go. Then it will take you, it will bring you to this interface. When you reach here, you click. You see where I click? You see where I click now? See where I click? Up here. Click it. All right? Then when you click it, you will see as a new user of this website, you need to register. So you click register. All right? So when you click register, it will bring you to this place. It will bring you to this place. So what you need to do is see this column, phone number. Enter your phone number. If you don't enter your phone number, you can enter your NIN. Any of the two. Don't enter the two at once. Then when you enter it, then you proceed. Let's say for example now, you enter your phone number. Let me enter a phone number here. All right. Sorry. Let me enter a phone number here. Okay. Now, you click next. Then it will bring you here. So I will not have time to fill all this form. You won't have problem with filling a form now. You know your surname. You know how to set your password. You know how to say your occupation. You know how to give username. So fill all this form. When you fill all this form, you come down here. See it here. Register. Then you click register. That is all. Then an email confirmation. Let me show you how the email look like. You go to your Gmail, you will see an email confirmation. This kind of email. This is how the email look like. You will see an email like this. See where you are going to click. Click here. Click here. When you now click here, see, you click here like this, then it will bring you here. You will now see how it will say email confirmed. Then you click here. In order to log in. So when you log in, it will be, when you click it, it will be like this. Then the very email you used, okay, you enter email that you used. All right. Then security check. You always meet this thing. Make sure you click the right thing. Click. Then yes, you do the needful here. Enter your password, the needful here. Then you go. Then you will see yourself on an interface that looks like this. The journey has started. The next thing that you need to do is new name reservation. Sorry, did you see what I clicked? Did you see what I clicked? See what I clicked? The up one. See what I clicked? New name reservation. That's what you click first. Then, sorry, they have taken me back again. Let me relog in. Let me relog in. So, okay, motorcycle. All right. You can see that the account I'm using now is different. All right. Now, you click new name reservation. Then you go down. You will see something like this. Classification. See it. Classification. All right. Under that, what you are going to do is to click here. Click here. You will see business name. If your own is business name, click here. If your own is company, that is the one that have limited with it, click here. If your own is church or association, social club, click incorporated trustee. Let me just stop at this 3. All right. This is the most common ones that people used to do. But here we are doing business name. Click on business name. Then type. Is your business name are you alone, or you want to combine with somebody as a partner? If it's a partner, click here if it's alone. Then move down, and then you enter the name of the proposed name that you want to do. Then you click save and continue. Save and continue. Then it will bring you to objective. What is the reason? Your reason for registering this is that you want to register a new name. This is where you will click a new name. Then you click it, new name. Then nature of business. Go through this one very, very well. Maybe your own is construction company. Then you click here. Maybe it's glasswork. You click here. Just read and see the one that match you. Leave this column alone first. Leave this column alone first. It's not necessary now. When you want to register, you will put it. That is additional remark. Leave that one alone first. All right? Leave it alone first. Then after that, you save and continue. Then it will bring you into here that you need to review and read whatever you have filled. If you are comfortable with what you filled, then save and continue. It will bring you to a payment where you will pay only 500 naira. Always use your ATM card to pay. All right? Always use your ATM card to pay. So when it loads, you will see the column that we are going to enter those, how many digits? Is it 12-digit number or 8-digit number at the back of your ATM? When you enter it, it will give you a column that you are going to enter the expiring date on that ATM. And enter it. It will give you a column for the PIN control. That one used to be at the back. It's always 3 numbers. All right? You enter it. When you enter it, just click and then you pay. This network is not loading, so I will stop the video here. Then you will pay just 500 naira with charges. Everything 600 and something naira. When you pay it, under 24 hours, your name approval will be ready. So I am going to pause the video here. Watch out in my next video how you are going to go about the registration when this name approval is done. When it is being approved, then the next thing is registration, where that's the last stage before your certificate will be available for download. Watch out my next video tomorrow, and I will give you that. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.